All right, so here is the seed stitch, and it's number 14, and we're going to use the darker brown, which is a red heart. It's getting all tied up. Can you see that? As I throw everything. So this one is the cafe latte. Put it over there so it's not tying up with everything. And we're going to chain 30. So now we're going to do a single crochet in the second one from the hook. And now we're going to chain one, skip one, and then single crochet. So chain one, skip one, and single crochet. Chain one, skip one, single crochet. Continue that down this row. All right, I'm almost to the end here. I paused it for a sec. Chain one, skip one, and single in the last. And now we're going to chain one and turn. And now we're going to chain one. We did chain one. Single crochet in the first. And single crochet in the chain. And now we're going to go back to the chain one, skip one. So chain one, skip one, single. Chain one, skip one. So where your chain ones are on the first row is where you are grabbing doing your single, and you're skipping the singles. Excuse me. You're skipping the singles. So that's the skip, and then this is the chain one, and I'm just going down underneath it and continue that across. And this will be the pattern until you're at 7 inches. And of course, oh, there it is. You want to be 7 inches. So continue this pattern along and chain one at the end, and then turn, and then single crochet 2 singles, because one goes in the end single in the first single and one into the chain one single, and continue this pattern along. And this is the seed stitch. Thanks. Have a good day. Happy hooking.